Now, let's add a student. To add a new student, click Add Student. The Add New Student panel opens, where you can enter the student's first name, last name, email address, phone number, instrument, grade, and optional notes. After you click Add Student, the student account is created. To view all students, click Students from the left side menu. Here, you'll see a student card for each student you've added. If you want to see more details or make changes, click View Profile on a student card. The student profile opens. From here, click Edit to update the student's information. In this section, you can edit the student's first name, last name, instrument, and grade. In the Contact Details section, you can update the email address, phone number, and time zone. Below that, you'll see the Address section, where you can add or update the student's address. At the bottom, you'll find the Parent and Guardian section, where you can add a parent or guardian's name, email address, phone number, and preferred contact method. You can also add a student directly from the Students page by clicking Add Student in the top right corner. The same Add New Student panel will open. That's all you need to manage student information. All lesson-related settings are handled separately when scheduling lessons.